Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm going to basically show you guys how to use the Google Maps, whether on the phone or using a laptop. So basically, Google Maps just helps you to find places, go get directions, and explore everywhere in the world easily. So Google Maps is free. It's a free navigation tool from Google. It helps you get to find locations, see nearby places, and also get driving, working, or walking, or get directions all in real time. So if you're using a phone, you open the Google Maps apps on your phone, and it will automatically open, and then you start getting directions. But if you're using a laptop like I'm using right now, we will open our Google Chrome and then we will go to the Google map. So this is what I've opened. So this is our Google map. So I want to get directions. I click on directions. Let me say my location. Choose starting point. Let me say um let's say Guru University. See? It's zooming for me, Guru University. So it's zooming. You see that if I use a motorcycle, I'll take 8 minutes to reach Gulu University. So if that one is if I use the main route. But if I use this route, this one, the forest route, I'll take 9 minutes with a motorbike to reach Gulu University. So this Google Maps just shows you the time, the hours you take to reach a certain place so that you don't easily get lost. You know which means to use and which not to use. So you see the options here that if you see here I can show you I can show my location. This one I can zoom in. You see this one I can zoom out. You see, so basically that is how we get directions using Google Map. We can also search for places. We can search for places. Let's type a location location let's choose location, choose a location, let's say, or a restaurant or anything. Let's say Boma Hotel. Boma Hotel. See, this is it. You see, from Bulu University, if you use the African Road Guest House, come here. So I can also send the direction to my phone also. See, I can send it also. So you just click. You want to find like the locations, restaurant, everything. Like let me say I want to choose like recreation project Gulu around Nimule Road. You see, there are very many recreation projects. The City Paradise, the Yibi Corner, you see. It brings, you see, our Boma Hotel is also here. You see, Gulu University, you come to Boma. You see, everything You can just check availability, you can deal with them, you can book an hotel before you start your journey easily just by using this Google. So if you want to save or share a location, I've shown you how to do that. So you can just share, just copy link, just share. You can just share either to your iPhone or anything. You can just, so if you want to save, you just type save and then you saved your location already. So, and that is how you use Google Maps to find locations, not to get lost, to find places, to find hotels, resorts, everywhere in this world. Whether you're new to a place, whether you can never get lost when you use Google Maps. So that is how we use Google Maps. So thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more of these tutorial videos. Thanks.